It's been a long day at work again today. Long day. Roll on retirement, please take me today. Come on. Go on, you fucking slag. Fucking bitch.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Come on, mate. You're faster than this. Don't think you are. No, you are. Right, in that film. Well, yeah, what a disaster. Part 3 of Lake Verney video with no sound. Fucking gutted. I was gutted. Had some good footage of Oggy leaving his indicator on a few times, chatting shit. We stopped at the Raven, what's it called? Can't think of the name. Midway, is it? Truck stop at the Raven. We stopped there, had some a brunch, as we call it. Yeah, and then went home and had a trip from there up to ours. I've got some film and all, some polarized film to go over that, so I don't have to keep blurring my speedo out. So I'll get that sorted. Oh, well, I won't. You like it? Oggy will. Oggy will sort that. Oh God, yeah, but called our broths, measured a chest freezer up for her, and she had me 2 burgers, 2 lamb burgers, and a few little fries done. Honestly, you tell her not to do anything, and she does. She always does. She'll be puffing and panting round doing stuff. Told her not to come door then, see me off. It's too cold, stay in. She's there. By the time I've got round back my road, she stood there waving me off. She's a good one. No, Craig selling his bike, the lad. It's VFR. Need to go on adventure. He knows. He's had a taste of the comfort, the lad, and he wants that. And that's what I want. I want comfort. Mine's going to be next year now. But yeah, if I had room, I'd keep this baby, because this is a brilliant bike. Like I said, that first ride with Stu down well, we went Lake Verney, the Friday ride, that's 170 odd miles, and on this, yeah, my arse was numb and that, but yeah, I did it. It weren't a problem. I don't think I was aching any more or whatever than lads on adventure bikes that were on the ride. But yeah, I wish I had the money and the space to keep this and get an adventure, but I haven't. But yeah, it's fun. It's a great little bike. It's my baby and I'll cry if I want to. What? Fuck are you singing that? I don't know. I bloody know what I'm singing. That was a cow impression in case you didn't know. Won't be making it in the cut anyway, so doesn't make any difference, does it? He's got an iPad as a dash in his car. Oh my. New cars. I've never had a new car like that with all that shit in. Grow up, mate. Child. Have a little bit of Choro Loco red wine. Oh, it's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. It makes my dick leak. Oh yeah, it fucking does. I've got copyright on that shit, so don't be nicking it, yeah? Don't be nicking my sounds. Have that. Have that. It's fucking lamb burger. Have that too. That's a sweet chili sauce. Oh, Solo Moto UK, good lad. Chatting with him over my microphone not working. He was throwing ideas my way, which is what I needed. So yeah, hats off to that lad for taking the time out and fucking helping this dunce. But yeah, we got there in the end. Hopefully, I'll know if this has got sound when I get back. If not, Solo Moto, you're a cunt, mate. No, you're not, I was joking, it's kidding. It's fucking kidding, mate. Appreciate your help. I feel like you're your little cuddle, cradling you against my naked chest. Let's take a minute and picture that. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Nice. Hopefully my mic, I don't sound as much of a rapist in this helmet now, because I've tried tuck it behind my cheek pad a little bit. It's still out a bit, but it's further in than what it was. So hopefully my fucking nasal airways aren't blowing on it. You purple panda. We all are fucking purple pandas, yeah we do. Your purple panda shows your purple bell end. No, don't bother. Don't want to see it. Keep it to yourself. Volvo S40 in front. I had one of them. That was about my newest car I ever had, and that was a 54 plate. Beautiful car, and then shit just went wrong. Sensors, crank sensors, electric windows didn't stop working, just everything. It just got stuck in limp mode and all. In the end I sold it for fuck all. Wasted money that was. A month after I got it, the fucking clutch went, so it's a new flywheel and clutch. That was another fucking 700 odd quid. So yeah, fuck Volvos. They're not the car they used to be. So now just stick to 350 pounders. That's what me last couple have been, I think. Cheap fuckers, and they just keep going. Look at cunt driving them, but cars don't bother me. It'd be nice to have a nice car for Deb driving, but I'm quite happy with fucking bike. Come on, let's get through. Up me ruined road. Up me ruined road. Right up it. Right up the old fucking clinker block. Another Volvo. Oh no, yeah, it is a Volvo. I bet that's broke down, that cunt. Crank sensor, mate. Get it sorted. Get to your local dealer. fucking crank my ass up. Fucking Volvos. Don't have much luck with cars. Deb bought me a Calibra once. Beautiful looking car, got fucking 4 new tyres on it. Sometimes the immobiliser fucked up, couldn't start it. So I sold that off just for the price of my tyres that I bought. Fucking couldn't had it, never had a problem with it since I sold it. Got himself a bargain. He wanted to suck me off. Well, you can't, mate. I'm not, I'm straight. Talk a lot of gay shit, but I'm straight. Don't suck me off. Please just blow me balls. Don't suck me off, you fucking cunt. Indicator off there, dog. That's how you do it, mate. That's how you do it. Little bit of history about crew for you. I found out. I mean, when I was a kid, we used to come crew park with my mum and dad. And how old was that? The early 80s. The early 80s. And I can tell you that in the 80s it was a shithole. And it ain't fucking changed now, it's still a shithole. So there's a bit of history. It was made, crew was made to be one big fucking dive, and they succeeded. Hats off to them. It's only our road that's fucking upper class. But I had a bike stolen from outside our house the other night, right up against front door. The cunts could have come in. They were that close. Fucking stole it off outside front door. Bastards would rob out. Always make sure I put my lock on my bike. Thieving cunts, I tell you, if they try rob this, I'll drag them in the house and I'll torture them. Sometimes I pray someone will try break in. There'll be no running off. Oh no, not for them. They'll be getting dragged in the house. They'll be fucking crying. Crying, let me out, fuck off. Made your bed, now lie in it. A little 3mm hole, 3mm drill bit into the kneecaps, fill them with expanding foam. Right, get carried away, right, let's go. Ciao mama. Have that.